my dear students of class 10th. Welcome to in maths class. Student, we are going to start today new chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variable. So we have a linear equation here, that is ax plus b. Linear equation we already studied in class 9. Linear equation is the equation which having the highest power of the variable is equal to 1, or the degree of the equation is equal to 1 is known as a linear equation. So here ax plus b is a linear equation and only one variable we are using here, that is only x we are using here. So this linear equation is called one variable. So this is the linear equation of one variable in one variable. Okay, linear equation in two variable. Here we have two variables x and y. In both the x and y we have power only 1 here. So this is the linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now come to our topic, pair of linear equation in two variable. Here we have a pair of linear equation. Pair means two. So one equation we have ax plus by is equal to plus c is equal to 0, and the next equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Both the equations are same. So what is the difference? How will we differentiate in these two equations? We will put a1 x, b1 y, c1 is equal to 0, a2 x, b2 y, c2 is equal to 0. So this pair is called pair of linear equation in two variable. In both equations we are having two variables. So this is the pair of linear equation in two variable. Graphically we will solve both the equations. How? We will make a table here for the first equation and for the second equation as well. As the first equation and second equation, we will draw two tables and we will write x and y here. Now in the both equation, here we have the equation in the form of a1, a2, b1, b2. We can write the equation 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0, or anything else, x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So in the both equation we will put the value of x here, find out the value of y. We can put the value of y, find out the value of x. In this procedure we will find out the value of x and y and we will draw the graph of both these lines. There are only three conditions of drawing a graph. Here we have graphically representation of a pair of linear equation in two variables. Three conditions we have here, that is lines are intersecting, lines are parallel and lines are coincident. Lines are intersecting means if we draw the graph and both the lines are intersecting each other at a particular point, so this point is known as the solution of both the equation. In this case, the pair of linear equation have one and only one solution in the case of intersecting. The second condition we have, lines are parallel. If we draw the graph of these two lines and both the lines are going parallel to each other, they are not connecting or not intersecting each other at a particular point, so there is no solution because both the lines are different here, so no solution we have. In this case there is no solution of these equations. The third case we have, lines are coincident. If lines are coincident, exactly if this is the representation of one line and exactly the representation of the second line coincide it, so there we have lots of solution because lots of points they are intersecting each other. So in this case there are infinitely many solutions. So three cases we have. At a time only one case will be taken. Only one case any graphical representation can show. Lines are intersecting, or lines are parallel, or lines are coincident. Okay students, if we have two linear equation. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, or 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So, and this is our graph. X dash, this is our x-axis, and y dash, this is our y-axis, and this is O point, that is 0 here. So what will we do? First of all, we will make a table for the first equation. In the previous video, we have already studied about it. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0 we have. So what will we do? We will make a table here, and in it we will put x and y. We will put the value of x and find out the value of y. If we put x is equals to 0, so what is the value of y? This is 0. The value of y will be there, minus 4 upon 3. If we put the value of y is equals to 0, here we put 0, the value of x we will get minus 2. So similarly, we can find out the value of x and value of the y as follows. Now what will we do? We will plot these points on this graph and make a straight line. Similarly, this is the second equation we have here, 3x plus y plus 2. Again we will make a table, x and y, and now we will put x is equals to 0. Then the value of y is equals to minus 2. Or if we want to put y is equal to 0, then the value of x is minus 2 upon 3. We can put minus 1 here. The value of x is minus 1. So minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, and at the right side plus 1. So minus 1 if we are putting the value of x here. So value of y we are getting 1. Now again we will plot this graph, graph of the linear equation. For example, the second graph, okay, this is the linear equation, first linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and this is the second linear equation, that is representation of 3x plus y plus 2. Now in this graph we can see that they both are intersecting at a particular point. Only one point they are intersecting. So these lines are called intersecting lines, and the solution of both these lines is only one solution, because they are intersecting only one point. Then the solution will be only one. If we have the representation of both these lines, for example this one and this one, so these lines are not intersecting to each other, so there will be no solution of these two lines here. But if this is the representation of first line, and again the second line is coincide the first line exactly, so both lines equation having many solutions here, many solutions in this case. So totally we have three cases here. The first case we have, that is intersecting. If both the line intersect, then we have only one solution. Second, if both the line coincident, then we have infinitely many solutions. And if these two lines are parallel to each other, so there will be no solution. Understood, students?
Hello my dear students of class 10th. As in my previous video we have studied about the intersecting lines. So here we have two equations, that is x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, and both these equations, linear equations, are intersecting at only one point, that is 4 and 2. So this is the representation of intersecting line in the graph, and in this case we have only one solution. In another case, we can see that this is the representation of equation 1, 4x plus 6y is equal to 18, and this one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 19. Both the equations having only one single line here, and they have 0, 3, 3, 1, 4.5 and 0. Lots of solutions they both have. So this is the representation of both these equation is constant, and they have lots of solutions. So infinitely many solutions they have, because both of the line coincide each other. Now we can see that this is the representation of parallel lines. Here linear equation we have in two variable, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0 and x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Both equations are parallel to each other, not connecting. So there is no solution of these two equations. Okay students, I hope you understood all these facts of graphical method to solving the equations.
Hello my dear students of class 10. So in this video we have the example of the graphically and algebraic representation of a line. Here we have a question. Meera has some pens and pencils. The number of pencils is 2 less than the twice the number of pens. In the first condition, what the question is saying, the number of pencils is 2 less than the twice the number of pens, and also the number of pencils is 4 less than the 4 times than the number of pens. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Now solution we have here. The student, we have some pens and pencil. Now we will let number of pens are x and pencils are y. Now according to the condition we have, what is the condition given? The first condition, the number of pencils is 2 less than the twice of number of pens. This is the equation number 1. And this, in the second condition, the number of pencils is 4 less than the 4 times of pen. So two equation we have here. Now we will make a table to find out the value of x and y individually in both equation. Here we have x and y. Now we will put the value of x or y and find out the value, the other thing. If we are putting x is equals to 0 here, then the value of y is equal to minus 2. If the value of x is 1, 2 1 ja 1, the value of y is 0. If the value of x is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4. So the value of y is minus 4. And if we have the value of x is 2, 2 2 ja 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then the value of y is 2. So here we have the value of x and y. Now in second equation, again we need to find out the value of x and y. Here we put the value of x is equal to 0, then the value of y is minus 4. The value of x, if we put 1, so 4 minus 4, 0. The value of x minus 1, 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, and the value if we put x is equals to 2, 4 2 ja 8 minus 4, 4. So here we have some values. Now we will plot these values on the graph. Y-axis, x-axis and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we will plot first equation. 0 minus 2. On the x-axis 0 and y-axis minus 2. First point. Then 1 0. On the x-axis 1 and the y-axis 0, 1, 0. Minus 1, 4. Minus 1 and 4. Third value is there and the last value is 2, 2. On the x-axis 2 and the y-axis also 2. Join these points. We have a line. So this is the line of equation y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now another line we will plot on the graph. 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. The first point we have here. Second point 1 0. 1 0. Third point minus 1 8. Minus 1 and 8. Anywhere in the down. 2 4. 2 and 4. So 1 2 3 point we have. So this is the line of the equation y is equal to 4x minus 4. We can see that these both lines are intersecting at this point. That means 1 and 0. 1 and 0. So the solution of the pair of equations is 1 and 0. This is the value of x. This is the value of y. So x we have pen. So number of pen we have 1 and number of pencils we have 0 in this question. So this is the algebraic representation and this is the graphically representation of this example. Okay students.